Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing 1 to 3 high-impact priorities and committing to them. This narrows options and reduces decision fatigue. Once chosen, remove one major distraction for a full week so your environment supports attention. Then schedule a daily 25 to 50-minute focused block with a timer. Work on only one priority during that block. Do this now because action creates clarity, and small, consistent habits compound to restore your focus over a few weeks. Once you have blocks in place, build rituals that cue focus. Prepare your workspace, clear tabs, and set a 3-minute pre-work breathing routine. Use time boxing to assign tasks to 25 to 90-minute slots and schedule short breaks. This trains attention and prevents burnout. Track progress each evening. Log wins, obstacles, and one concrete adjustment so you iterate rapidly. Also align task type to your energy peaks. Do complex work when you're sharp and routine tasks later, which preserves willpower. To finish, run a weekly review. Celebrate what moved the needle, remove or simplify low-value tasks, and plan the next week's focused block so you stay on track. Make sure to protect at least one deep focus day per week for progress that compounds. If your focus collapses, immediately reintroduce stricter limits for 7 days. Block apps, shorten commitments, and reclaim mornings, because short, intense resets restore discipline quickly. Keep the weekly review as your single source of truth to stay aligned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.